Hi Tara, my name is Mo from Marknative. I believe my associate Jessica had actually reached out and you let her know that you'll be interested in checking out the video we have for you. So here it is. Let's jump right in. So today I'll be going over a couple of things that you can start doing for free to help positively impact your business and bring more customers in. So hopefully by the end of this video you get something out of it and you could start implementing the strategies yourself. All I ask, Tara, is that you leave us a one-line feedback letting us know if the video is helpful. So without further ado, let's jump right in. Three things I'll be focusing on today are content, backlinks, and citations. We'll be going over each of these as we move along on the video. Very first thing, content. Okay, that's what I'm looking at on your website. As you can see, I have your website pulled up. Very nice and neat looking website. Everything flows really well. Right, you have a very nice form that customers could actually enter their information, and you could just actually create a database of it. That's very helpful to have as well. So, but main thing what I'm looking for over here, as I mentioned, content. You want to have at least 1,500 to 2,000 word content on your home page. The point of that is so you could stuff in buyer intent keywords. The more buyer intent keywords you have, the higher you will search, the higher you will actually show up in Google search results, right? Buyer intent keywords such as water damage restoration, Harrisburg, PA, right? Keywords that people are actually searching for. People like regular people like you and I, when we're looking for services, we want to be finding the relevant companies, right? So if you want to be found for water damage restoration in Harrisburg, PA, you need to be ranking for this keyword here. Okay, so that's what I did in Google, trying to see who's actually ranking first. I do see that you're ranking in Google Map on second, so that's definitely good to have, but we'll be coming back to this. In organic search results, as you can see, Angie is number one, but one thing to know, Google actually prioritizes business over directories. Okay, so really this guy being your top competitor here. So let's look up, let's see if they have enough content. All right, going through. They have a good amount of content, but not as much either. Okay, so let's jump into the back end side, kind of deep dive behind the scenes on what's really going on their website. As you can see, I have this tool called Ahrefs. Let me go on the overview. This allows us to see what's really going on behind the scenes. These are what will determine, this could actually show us what's being determined and what's actually helping them rank high in Google. If I could have your attention here, and organic keywords, they're being found for 26 keywords. As you can see, water damage restoration, 20 search results per month. Water and fire restoration, Harrisburg, PA, 100 search results. And keyword difficulty in a scale of 1 through 100, sorry. It's at 0. That means it's super easy to rank for, and you could grab 100. If you're number one, you'll be getting probably about 60 to 70% of this number right here. Okay, this guy's number 5. He's getting only 8. That means he's not doing something right. So there's a lot of area over here that you could improve and really beat out this guy and get that number 1 spot. Let's look through how you're doing. So you're being found for 139 keywords, but not really the right keyword. Okay, Tara. So service first restoration, these are people that are actually directly coming to your website, right? So you're getting 31 of that traffic by being on position 2. You want to be found for buyer intent keywords, so you're getting those traffic organically. Like let's say, like as I showed you, water and fire restoration, right? Or water damage restoration, Harrisburg. So those are buyer intent keywords. Second thing that I want to be touching on are backlinks. Remember, content, backlinks, and citations. So your competitor, they have only one backlink, whereas you have, let's see, 280. Okay, despite you having more backlinks, they're actually ranking higher because what they're really capitalizing on is really content. Okay, and the right keywords. So that's something that you want to focus on. And then last thing that I want to talk about are citations. Okay, so citations are anywhere that your business name, phone number, and address is in. Anywhere, it could be anywhere, like such as directories, blogs, articles, etc. So the more places you are in, the more exposed your business is in terms of Google. They will find you relevant and they will start ranking you higher here. But definitely you are being found here, and it wouldn't take you that much to actually take the top spot either. Now, I did remember that just in case you don't know, backlinks. So backlinks are anywhere, basically hyperlinks, right? So when we're reading blogs, you may see hyperlinks there, and you click on that hyperlink and then it takes you to another site. So it's basically one site pointing back to your site. The more relevant hyperlinks and backlinks you have, the more popular you are and more relevant you are to your industry. And then Google will start trusting your website and will start ranking you higher and higher for water damage or fire damage restoration keywords, etc. Okay. So feel free to go through this video. I hope this was helpful, Tara. If you have any question, you could always feel free to reach out to me at right here, 347-210-0943. Once again, my email is mo@marknative.com. I truly hope this video was helpful, and you can start implementing these. As you saw, or ranking for the right keyword definitely matters, and those keywords organically that could be bringing you more results. All right. Once again, thank you for your time. I hope you have a lovely day. Thank you.